This is Maarten van Leeuwen. Maarten is a social entrepreneur working for a sustainable future. He wants to support social innovation with online marketing and communication. Maarten is the founder of his own network organization called CNCPTMKR. He wants to build an online community to support social innovation. The result is socialinnovationnews.com. This is where we, Group 6, come in. Our challenge is to advise Maarten on how he can move past the one-man show and develop his website. Using this platform, the aim is to connect people working in the field of social innovation so they can share their stories to an engaged online audience. Even though Maarten is a very busy man, we tried our best to envision his ideals and meet his expectations. To make it easier for Maarten to implement our advice, we created a chronological step-by-step guide. The first stage of our advice is how to attract people to the website itself. To gather the desired audience, we are advising Maarten to connect to other websites of a similar content. For example, he could promote the website by placing links in comment sections. This way, people already interested in social innovation can be targeted. Another way of attracting interest is via social media. We suggest that Maarten synchronizes his website blog post with his various social media accounts. Tools like SharePress can be used to do this. The second stage of advice is how to maintain an appealing website, a website that people will want to visit frequently. Our research showed that an appealing website is one that looks attractive, has a functional design, and contains accurate information. We think the website should also be divided into subtopics, making it easier for users to navigate. In terms of layout, pages should be uncrowded and well-structured. The aspect we would really like to emphasize here is the proper use of visual media in the posts, namely photos, videos, and graphics. And finally, the website should be regularly updated, keeping the content current and relevant to encourage users to interact and discuss the latest stories. This leads us on to our next stage of advice, creating an interactive online community. As crowdfunding doesn't play a role in our project, we focused more on crowdsourcing. The aim here was to gather ideas, stories, and information in order to inspire people involved in social innovation, as well as to connect the members of this community. To enable people to interact on the platform, we suggest using a commenting tool, like Discuss with a login function. A notification option also allows the participants to remain updated on the discussions and stay engaged. According to educational theorist Athene Wenger, there is a trend called the legitimate peripheral participation, which says that 10% of the community, the core, is producing all of the content, while the other 90%, the periphery, are just observing the discussion. To also encourage the periphery to contribute to the discussion, we recommend placing the commenting section alongside the posts. We are also proposing that Maarten contacts the more active users on the website, and then building curator groups of 3 to 5 people because this is, according to Chris Corrigan, the best number for work teams. There are many similar websites out there, so it is important to make this one unique. This is the fourth and final part of our advice. Our client prioritizes the engagement of users over the number of them. We have developed some ideas on how to maximize interaction. Firstly, we propose adding a chatting tool like NowTalk, which allows the users to engage in live group chats and one-on-one instant message conversations. The second idea is to create a mobile application. Nowadays, we carry our phones everywhere so users can be constantly connected to the website's activity. This is an example of what the app would look like.